Who is Apollo? What secrets are hidden behind his celebrated image? How does his legacy transcend the familiar tales of music and healing to reveal a complex and multi-dimensional deity? All these questions and more will be explored in this video. If you enjoy this video, please hit the like button. You can also visit our channel to watch the full series of videos on Greek gods and goddesses. Apollo is the son of Zeus, the king of the gods, and the titaness Leto. According to mythology, Hera, Zeus's wife, in a fit of jealousy, forbade Leto to give birth on solid ground. However, the floating island of Delos provided refuge, and it was here that Apollo and his twin sister, Artemis, the goddess of the hunt, were born. Apollo is a god of contradictions, embodying both light and darkness, healing and plague, music and prophecy. His complex nature made him an incredibly influential figure in Greek mythology. God of light and truth. Apollo is often depicted as the god of light, associated with the sun, and representing truth and prophecy. He is seen as a symbol of order and harmony, dispelling the darkness of lies and chaos. God of music and arts. Apollo is famously known as the patron of music and the arts. He is often depicted with a lyre, which he played to bring joy to the gods on Mount Olympus. The Muses, goddesses of the arts and sciences, were considered his companions, god of healing and plague. Apollo is also associated with healing and medicine. His son, Asclepius, is the god of medicine, and Apollo himself had the power to bring about plagues or cure diseases. God of prophecy, the Oracle of Delphi, a priestess known as the Pythia, was the most famous of Apollo's oracles. People from all over Greece would journey to Delphi to seek her prophecies, which were believed to be messages directly from Apollo. Numerous myths and legends surround Apollo, showcasing his diverse nature. In one story, Apollo falls in love with a nymph named Daphne. However, she wishes to remain independent and prays to be turned into a laurel tree to escape Apollo's advances. Apollo, in turn, honors the laurel, making it a symbol of victory and status. Apollo and Hyacinth. This story reflects the tragic side of Apollo's nature. Apollo and the mortal prince Hyacinth are close companions. However, in a tragic accident during a game of discus, Hyacinth is killed. From his blood springs the hyacinth flower, a symbol of Apollo's grief. The Trojan War. In Homer's Iliad, Apollo plays a crucial role in the Trojan War, siding with the Trojans and sending plagues to the Greek camp to aid them. The cult of Apollo was widespread in ancient Greece and Rome. He was worshipped in various festivals, the most famous being the Pythian Games at Delphi, which included athletic and musical competitions. Beyond religion, Apollo's image and symbolism have endured in art, literature, and culture. The Renaissance saw a revival of interest in Greek mythology, and Apollo, as a symbol of classical beauty and order, was frequently depicted in works of art. In unraveling the stories of Apollo, we find reflections of the hopes, fears, and values of the ancient Greeks. He is a god who encapsulates the complexities of human nature and the world, capable of bringing both joy and sorrow, light and darkness. The allure of Apollo lies in his multifaceted persona, embodying ideals that were significant to the Greeks and continue to resonate today. He stands as a testament to the enduring power of mythology to capture the imagination and reflect the human condition. In understanding Apollo, we gain insight not just into a mythical figure, but also into the civilization that revered him, seeing how their beliefs, struggles, and aspirations were mirrored in the tales of a god who was both extraordinarily powerful and profoundly human. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. You can also visit our channel to watch the full series of videos on Greek gods and goddesses.